And as for the fuel consumption, hey everyone, what's going on? It's Marcello back at Toyota World, and I'm here at our beautiful dealership Maple Toyota to show you one of our first Toyota Corolla Crosses that landed, the LE all-wheel drive in pearl white. I want to show you what this vehicle is about inside and out. I want you to click the thumbs up if you've enjoyed this video, and of course subscribe for constant cool videos of your favorite Toyotas. I will be doing a Corolla Cross versus a Corolla Sedan review, and I will be doing a Corolla Cross versus a RAV4 review, so stay tuned. So from an exterior point of view, you don't really see too much resemblance or characteristics from the 2022 Toyota Corolla. However, when you make your way around the vehicle inside, you can see there are some similarities that kind of remind you of the way the 2022 Toyota Corolla is built and styled. Let me show you what I'm talking about. All right, so you can see here from the door panel, this door panel kind of does resemble and look similar to the style on the 2022 Corollas. From an interior point of view, yes, similar dash style and similar layout. So it kind of does resemble a little bit the feeling of a Toyota Corolla, but not quite. So something else that's really cool about the all-new 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross is the layout of the instrument panel, meaning the odometer and the multi-information display and so on. I want to show you guys what I'm talking about. I've never really quite seen this too often or really at all on any Toyotas. Take a look. So you actually have your temperature control here for the engine. You've got your RPM gauge over here off to the left, your odometer nicely placed on the complete center of the instrument panel, and then over here off to the right is where they decided to put the multi-information display. I'm going to start this engine and show you guys really cool layout. You know, really nicely organized, not too distracting looking when you're trying to see exactly, you know, any information on your meters or on your dials. I really love what they did with the layout of this. Very sophisticated, simple layout here on the interior. You know, where your shifter is, your center console. You've got your heated seat functions, your heated steering wheel function. You've got your USB port. You've got your temperature controls, everything, and then you go to your touch display screen over here. I love that it does protrude a little bit out past the dashboard. It really draws your eyes here when you're trying to see what's going on with your radio, your phone. This vehicle does come standard with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and that's not just the LE all-wheel drive. That's anywhere from the L and all the way up to the XLE, guys. So it's standard on all the models for the 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross. Now, one might ask, how's the interior space on this 2022 Corolla Cross? Well, they did an amazing job here because I'm 6'2", I'm a big guy, and I didn't even really change the positioning of my seat when I first stepped in here. So I didn't really customize the seat to exactly how I am comfortable to sit in this new vehicle. And as you can see, there's plenty of headroom, plenty of shoulder room. I'm not squashed. I'm not too pushed forward or too pushed backwards. And, you know, rear seats, lots of space, Feels kind of like you're in a mini SUV crossover type of vehicle. Definitely does not feel like you're in any type of sedan. So really cool vehicle, new to the lineup. We're excited to have it here. And here's what the key fob looks like when you go with the 2022 Corolla Cross LE all-wheel drive. So this definitely does mean that you are in a smart key vehicle, smart key system, and yes, you have the push button start. So what that means, you do not have to have the key in your hand when you want to lock, unlock, and start the vehicle. Push button start. And every 2022 Toyota Corolla Cross comes standard with Service Connect, Safety Connect, and Remote Connect. And yes, guys, you're right. That means that you can start the vehicle from your smartphone, from your device, easily, quickly, in a matter of seconds, right from your Toyota app. So the Toyota Corolla Cross comes in a couple different models, starting from the L front wheel drive, which prices out for $24,890 plus freight, PDI, and taxes. And of course, these prices are Canadian. And you can go all the way up to the XLE all-wheel drive, which prices out for $33,990 plus freight, PDI, and taxes. You'll be happy to know that each and every model 2022 Corolla Cross comes available in all-wheel drive and front wheel drive, with the exception of the XLE model. That one is only available in the all-wheel drive. The Toyota Corolla Cross can surprisingly tow up to 1,500 pounds, and the 2-liter engine puts out 169 horsepower, guys. And as for the fuel consumption, when you're going with the front wheel drive, you're gonna get a combined 7.3 liters every 100 kilometers. The all-wheel drive, slightly more at 7.8 liters every 100 kilometers. And another interesting fact, the front wheel drive has a 47-liter tank, whereas the all-wheel drive 2022 Corolla Cross has a 50-liter gas tank. Being in the current inventory crisis situation that we're currently in right now, unfortunately, it may be sometimes hard to compare and see a 2022 Corolla Cross versus a 2021 or a 2022 RAV4 side by side. So in this video, I'm about to show you that. So here's the Corolla Cross 2022 LE all-wheel drive non-premium package. Okay, take a look at the size from the front and from the side. Let's go to the back also. Okay, just to get a visual of what we're dealing with here in terms of overall size on the exterior. And how cool is this? I have a 2021 XLE in white, similar color, not the exact same color because the Corolla Cross is a pearl white, this is a flat white. In any event, let's take a look at the comparison on size, guys. So yes, this is a 2021 RAV4. Okay, from the front over to the side and over to the back. So you can see how the size of the Corolla Cross, actually the size of the Toyota RAV4 really opens up right around here, gets a little bit higher, wider. And there you have it, guys. When you decide to go with the LE model 2022 Corolla Cross, whether it's the front wheel drive or the all-wheel drive like what I have here, you are upgraded to a beautifully styled 17-inch alloy wheel, and you will also have a rear tonneau cover, very convenient and useful to have. So I've already talked to you about the interior space being more than enough. I want to just show you guys what the trunk space is like on these 2022 Corolla Crosses. I will do a video that will compare this against a RAV4 and a Corolla, so stay tuned, subscribe, hit the notification bell. But you can see here there is plenty of space in the trunk area of this Corolla Cross. That's right, I just zoomed into the multi-information display here on the instrument panel of this 2022 Corolla Cross. And yes, you are seeing this correctly. The rear cross traffic alert and the blind spot monitor system will be standard when you go with the LE Corolla Cross, whether it's the front wheel drive or the all-wheel drive. And when going with the LE model Corolla Cross, whether it's front wheel drive or all wheel drive, as you can see, you are upgraded to a leather wrapped steering wheel. Feels very nice and comfortable in the hands. And if you live anywhere like Canada, you'll be happy to know that the leather wrapped steering wheel is heated. When you go with the L model 2022 Corolla Cross, you're going to be getting a 7-inch display screen here. But when you go to the LE, whether it's front wheel drive or all wheel drive, you're going to upgrade yourself to an 8-inch, beautifully laid out and displayed touch screen. As you can see, this LE all wheel drive Toyota Corolla Cross is loaded with so many standard features. Guys, I remember back in my day, I'm not that old, but back in my day, when I started selling vehicles in 2008, it was considered a luxury, or, you know, you were considered to have one of the nice hot packages if you had steering wheel audio controls. And as you can see, this is an LE model, which is not the top model. After this, there's a premium, and then there's an XLE. And check out all the buttons on this steering wheel, right? I mean, check it out. It's, first of all, leather and wrapped heated steering wheel. You've got all the I guess toggle controls here for the multi-information display. You've got your Bluetooth. That was also a big deal back in the day with your volume control. And here you have all of your safety controls, your cruise control settings. Really, really cool stuff, guys. I love the Corolla Cross so far. And if I haven't mentioned it already, this LE all-wheel drive non-premium package 2022 Corolla Cross prices out at $28,490 Canadian, plus freight, PDI, and taxes. Now, there's a couple colors you can choose from when going with the 2022 Corolla Cross, but there are 3 really cool colors that the Corolla Cross comes in. 2 of them are new colors, but it comes in a cypress, which is the beautiful metallic green, and those 2 new colors that I was talking to you about, well, they are the jet black mica, and the one right behind me here is the Sonic Silver. Check it out. Here's the up close and personal look of the Sonic Silver, new to the Toyota family. Look at the shine, look at the glow, just beautiful. And yes, like most of our vehicles, does have a sold sign in it. I hope you guys enjoyed this review on the 2022 LE all-wheel drive Corolla Cross. If you did, smash a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for constant cool videos of your favorite Toyotas. Take care.